IS. This doesn't have pearl in it, does it? Oh, it does a little bit. You have to see it from close. Oh, this is a 300 F Sport. The 300s now have what do you call it? They have 250 horsepower or 240 horsepower, I think. And it's turbo, I think. If I remember correctly. No, maybe not. I'll just power this one.
The back seats are improved.
It's bigger?
2IS.
Really?
Yeah, feels like it. Like it's still small, but I'm not cramped at all.
I guess they increased the size on these ones too a little bit. Probably a little bit wider, a bit longer. The seats are way more bolstered in these ones.
Yeah, it's nice. I was asking Evan while we were working on his thing if he would trade me the seats from the RSX
For yours?
Yeah.
On the Civic? Is it better?
Oh, Honda. I think so. They're definitely more like bucket seats. They hold you in place a lot better, I feel. So.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Huh.
And they are just straight bolt on because all Honda seats are the same like diameter and everything. So.
Right.
Yes, or